The OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a serious contender in the compact flagship arena. This isn't your average small phone. It comes with top-tier specs packed into a 6.3-inch display that's slightly taller than the iPhone 16, yet smaller than the regular OnePlus 13. That makes it just the right size for one-handed use. And yes, it's so well balanced, you could balance it on a pen. According to recent leaks, the OnePlus 13T is dropping on the 24th of this month in China. It's coming in stylish pink, black and white finishes with frosted glass on the back, so no more dealing with annoying fingerprint smudges. The design draws inspiration from the Xiaomi 11, and honestly, it looks pretty premium. But what's really exciting is the support for wireless charging, a feature many budget-conscious brands still like to skip. To sweeten the deal, OnePlus is rolling out magnetic cases, making the device compatible with accessories like magnetic stands, wallets, and even massive wireless chargers. That's OnePlus taking some solid notes from Apple's playbook, but without the "we invented magnets" attitude. In terms of camera hardware, the OnePlus 13T will feature a dual-camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main-wide sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens capable of 2 times optical zoom and 4 times lossless zoom. Sample images released show promising detail and color balance, indicating significant improvement in imaging performance over previous models. Internally, the OnePlus 13T is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering high-end performance suitable for demanding tasks and gaming, including emulated AAA titles like GTA 5. According to benchmark leaks, the device has scored over 3 million points on AnTuTu, highlighting its performance capabilities. And of course, OnePlus didn't just throw in a flagship chip. They added a massive heat dissipation system so your hands don't become frying pans during mid-gaming sessions. Battery life is another major focus. The OnePlus 13T is expected to house a 6,200 mAh battery supported by 80-watt fast charging. This is made possible by OnePlus's use of next-generation ultra-slim silicon nanocarbon battery technology, which allows a high-capacity cell to fit within a relatively compact chassis. But for fans, the biggest bad news is the removal of the beloved alert slider. Instead, OnePlus is introducing a customizable shortcut key that can still toggle between silent, vibrate, and ring modes, but now also lets you assign additional functions. Think of it as an alert slider that graduated from college and learned new tricks. Though it's practical and flexible, die-hard OnePlus fans might miss the old slider. Still, it feels like a necessary evolution to pack in more control without cluttering the frame. The official launch in China is happening on April 24th, with a global release expected to follow next month. Pricing is anticipated around $699 or roughly 50,000 Indian rupees, which seems quite fair given everything packed inside. Just fingers crossed. OnePlus doesn't pull a last-minute price hike and push it into 800-plus territory like they've done before.